Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the Solar System, being only larger than Mercury. Like Earth, Mars has seasons, polar ice caps, volcanoes, canyons, and weather. It has a very thin atmosphere made of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and argon. There are signs of ancient floods on Mars, but now water mostly exists in icy dirt and thin clouds. Mars has been explored by unmanned spacecraft. Mariner 4, launched by NASA on the 28th of November 1964, was the first spacecraft to visit Mars, making its closest approach to the planet on the 15th of July 1965. In November 2015, Administrator Bolden of NASA reaffirmed the goal of sending humans to Mars. He laid out 2030 as the date of a crewed surface landing, and noted that planned 2020 Mars rover would support the human mission. Reasons for colonizing Mars include pure curiosity, the potential for humans to provide more in-depth observational research than unmanned rovers, economic interest in its resources, and the possibility that the settlement of other planets could decrease the likelihood of human extinction. Going to Mars is an obvious next step. So why Mars? At an average distance of 140 million miles, Mars is one of Earth's closest habitable neighbors. Mars is about half again as far from the Sun as Earth is, so it still has decent sunlight. It is a little cold, but we can warm it up. Its atmosphere is primarily CO2 with some nitrogen and argon and a few other trace elements, which means that we can grow plants on Mars just by compressing the atmosphere. Gravity on Mars is about 38% of that of Earth, so you would be able to lift heavy things and bound around. Furthermore, the day is remarkably close to that of Earth. Musk founded the space transport company, SpaceX, to help make this happen. Elon Musk plans to send a SpaceX rocket to Mars, with cargo only, by 2022, according to the SpaceX website. A second mission, which would take more cargo and crew, is targeted for 2024. Musk has also said he'll send 1 million people to Mars by 2050. So let's see what are the benefits of visiting Mars. Number 1. Ensuring the survival of our species. The only home that humans have ever known is Earth. But history shows us that surviving as a species on this tiny blue dot in the vacuum of space is tough and by no means guaranteed. The dinosaurs are a classic example. They roamed the Earth for 165 million years, but the only trace of them today are their fossilized remains. A colossal asteroid wiped them out. Number 2. Discovering life on Mars. During an episode of StarTalk Radio in March, Planetary Society CEO Bill Nye said that humanity should focus on sending humans instead of robots to Mars because humans can make discoveries 10,000 times faster than the spacecraft explorers we have today. Number 3. Improving the quality of life on Earth. Only by pushing mankind to its limits, to the bottoms of the ocean and into space, will we make discoveries in science and technology that can be adapted to improve life on Earth.